Neil here. Just got a little unpackaging from Provident. Not much, but thought I'd share it anyway. I've got a few airtights. Just 5, and I picked up another horse. I need to I traded with Rocky. He wanted a horse and he traded me an elephant. Can't complain about that trade, huh? Let's see, come on now, focus. There we go. I think that's pretty cool. Generic round. How about you? I like it. And then I'm just kind of debating on what my next tube will be. And the Horatius generic rounds are pretty well known. So I figure that they might be my next bet. When you're going to go generic, you might as well go with something that they might already have heard of instead of something more generic. This one's kind of not in the greatest shape, but it is generic, so I guess I won't complain about that. Then I picked up one of the birds of prey. I was wondering about getting more of these, maybe a tube, and holding on to them and seeing if they'll go up in value. Try to make a quick buck off them in a year or so. I don't know. We'll see. Not bad. But I figure I'd just pick up one for the heck of it anyway, even if I don't buy more. So that's basically it. 3 ounces. Nothing special. But, like I said, I had to get the horse, so I'll have my tube of 20 completed again. Come on. Anyway, that's it. Another 3 ounces to the stack. And that's about it. I'm not sure. I hoped I'm placing a bigger order. But you know how it goes. Money just wasn't there this month. But 3 ounces is better than nothing. So that's it. I still might pick up a tube of those if money comes around like I was hoping. Anyway, that's it. Just small pickup. Airtights and 3 ounces. Alright guys. Thanks for watching.